First at 5:30, Democratic Attorney General, including Rhode Island's Peter Neronha, are suing the Trump administration for conditions put on federal grants that help victims of crimes. Now, this is the 33rd time that Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Neronha has taken legal action against this administration. Good to have you back, my friends. I'm Dan Jennings.
And I'm Emily Voles. NBC 10's Temi Topa Atalaya joins us live in studio. She has more from today's briefing. Temi Topa.
Dan and Emily, putting politics over public service. That's how Democratic attorneys general feel about the conditions on this grant money. Now they're taking action.
We will not allow them to put politics ahead of public safety.
21 Democratic attorneys general collaborated Monday on a lawsuit against the Trump administration.
We're seeking declaratory judgment that the conditions they've placed on these grants are unlawful, and we're seeking to have them vacated.
It claims that the administration is holding more than $1 billion in Congress-authorized funds unless states agree to support President Donald Trump's immigration enforcement efforts.
VOCA funds have been in place and untouched, supported by presidents and members of Congress of both parties for over 4 decades. The law was first put in place by Ronald Reagan after a study of how victims of crime were treated in this country.
The VOCA, or Victims of Crime Act grant programs, help people who have endured crimes like sexual assault, molestation, rape, or even gun violence, regardless of their legal status. The programs include advocacy services, emergency shelter, medical expenses, and more.
When a 6 or an 8-year-old child is being interviewed at the Child Advocacy Center as to whether or not she was sexually assaulted by an adult, one question that should not be asked is whether that child is in this country lawfully or unlawfully. What the focus should be, and what the focus is here in Rhode Island, and I know it's true in my fellow states, is taking that child molester off the streets and providing safety and recovery for that child.
Now attorneys general want a declaratory judgment to clarify the rights and obligations. The deadline for the grant application is in 2 days, with the funds scheduled to be awarded next month.
We're seeking a declaratory judgment as quickly as the courts can provide it, and we're also seeking vacatur of the policy that they've put in place here.
Temi Topa. Neronha says 41,000 Rhode Islanders benefited from these funds in 1 year. It assisted programs like Day One and the Rhode Island Coalition of Domestic Violence. For now, in studio, Temi Topa Atalaya, NBC 10 News.